Yo, what's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm there and I hit and smash and a banger. Yeah, man, people, back in the music lab. And from you see from the tag, you see what we deal with today. Yeah, man, today we got one that's new to the channel. I think he's new to the channel. I don't think we have reacted to him as yet. Yeah, man, today we got Kman 6ixx. But yeah, man, guys, before we jump in the track, I just want to ask, how you guys doing today, man? I'm glad you was able to make it to another video. You know what I'm saying? So, how you doing today? You feeling healthy? You've been drinking your water? You've been eating healthy? You've been staying on your grind? You've been staying prayed up? I hope so, man. I hope you're staying on your grind. You're taking steps towards your goal and towards your purpose. Okay, so I hope you're making every day count. You know, remember, every day is a gift. Every day is a blessing. So no matter what you go through, you can always turn it around. But yeah, man, guys, before we jump in the track, yeah, man, today we got Kman 6ixx, Black Rain. I believe he's new to the channel. I don't believe we reacted to him before, but we're very excited. As I think this is a highly requested song as well, so we're gonna check it out and see what is going on. Yeah, man, Kman 6ixx. I believe he's from Trinidad. You know what I'm saying? Believe he's from Trinidad. If I'm not mistaken, and from the 6th, maybe in the 6th camp, I'm not sure. So you guys let me know where Kman 6ixx is from. Okay, let me know what camp he's out of. Let me know where he's from, and you know what I'm saying, let me know who my link with all these things. So definitely drop in the comment section. Yeah, man, guys. But yeah, man, I hope before we jump in the chat, hope you take this time to go ahead and like and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell. Come on, sub up. Join one of the latest families on YouTube, man. One of the latest reaction channels, man. Be a vibes there. You see me? Be a vibes, be a niceness. You see me? Yeah, man, and we're taking it to the top. We're not gonna stop. But yeah, man, guys, we got Kman 6ixx, Black Rain. Yeah, man, they don't say every artist from Trinidad is talented that we've listened to so far. So I hope it stays the same. I hope nothing change. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward. Hopefully it's a bad track. You see me? I heard good things about it, so I'm gonna check it out and see what I go on. You see me? Before we further, this is Kman 6ixx, Black Rain. Let's get it. Yeah, like me saying, so like you come from the 6th camp, but we're not sure see what I got.
When the 6 them roll, made up a short thing, them one carry. Better stop it talking, net bust no face. Everybody ballin', one try, but them money stalling. But that's how the thing go. Make them know all of this.
When you say when the 6 them roll, everybody want kill we. But them want kill, they can't try. What do you say? Come on.
No more. I'm got up every left on floor. Never see nobody want this war. Everything left, rifle, go low. Head top, chip, Fenton runner. 7 point for your chest plate, no other.
7 point for your chest plate, no other.
Knocked up your pan back and it don't bother. Everybody come feel when me all wanna. More jail time cause I'm all gone. Me get why we said all of them done me great. Had a reason I had one.
Yo, why everybody from Trinidad so smooth, bro? Everybody smooth with the singing. What the hell? How they feeding up on silk? Cause y'all your voice smoother than a bitch, bro. When y'all singing, bro, come like when you sing there, come in.
Done select 2 rifle, run out like we sing the wet. For them ends with press pan, them and the killer them a yes man. Drill all of them from a section.
For them ends with press pan, them and no killer them a yes man. I want to some boy I road.
6 shot me place, killer dark election. Do it and done, so it even take long. Just when you over we want.
Do it and done, we even take long. I want to some boy. When you go for boy, man, she works and cut out. I want to you man, one and go.
Next one, pre-dark like say a bad intention. One on mark and them swear 10 man. People are dead from me than name mention. Look how much gun me buy them see a devil.
People are dead from name mention. I'm too no.
Take a enemy head, real out daily. How much of them but we fly. Time and soul kill a pussy 7 in the country. Look how much gun.
How much a bat we fly. Time and soul for soul without a conscience. Yo.
Me buy, never kill nobody alive. Can't catch me down no matter where I try. Headshot for the big fat pussy with the toe eye.
Yo, who you talking about in that one, bro? Let me know who he talking about. He said headshot for the pussy with the fat one. With the fat pussy with the two archive, I can't say. Let me know who you talking about that one, bro.
Fuck Prezzi, I will mean it.
Oh shit. Damn, this nigga said Prezzi that. Holy shit. Okay.
Face and will it. Darkness in the air, you no feel it. Shout 7 and them a rotate ceiling. We have a big long pill for your feeling. Head up your life down, got no meaning. About 7 like a place, them dreaming. Them pussy by dreaming. We don't shoot from Cal up, hop out, run you down. K-clip done fast, so we
Man say, yo, don't shoot from when you say don't shoot from far car, park up, run you down. Never that serious.
Love the jump, and you ready for boy straight. We bound to come, say you gather, cash, mount it down. Oh, we the fuck.
Anyway, the fat boy straight, we're bound to come. Easy, you know?
You know
Prezzi Diss.
we will kill all you. I show them free me bottom.
So, kill all you. Yeah, kill all you. Easy no man. Yeah
Switch
man,
to
that was
crop.
a dope track. This bad man, I like that one. That was Kman 6ixx Black Rain. Yo, that was a dope track, man. Yeah man, I like that one. Yo, why every artist from Trinity so smooth, bro? Why them singing, bro? I don't get it. Like, you must see that them feeding upon them bar in a church or something, man. But all the voice too smooth, you know what I'm saying? But yeah man, that was a dope track by Kman 6ixx entitled Black Rain, guys. I enjoyed that one. Let me know if you did too. And let me know what you want me to react to next. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let me know that Jambisco sending you. Yo guys, I appreciate all the love and support. I appreciate all the music you have been sending me. Just keep it up, man. We're gonna take it straight to the top. We ain't stopping. Multiple uploads, consistent uploads, prize and surprise coming. Shout outs, giveaways, everything, man. You don't know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.